Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are well. I just created this very simple eye makeup look for you guys. It's basically a cut crease with glitter and using all my favorite shades basically. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then please carry on watching. So the first thing I do is grab the ABH Modern Renaissance palette, and I take the shade Real Gar from that palette. I apply it on a MAC 224 and I start kind of buffing it all over my eyelid, making sure that it's buffed out very well. You just want to kind of go back in with that colour and layer it on. I then go in with my Huda Beauty Coral Obsessions palette, and I take the darkest orange shade in that palette and I apply it on a MAC 221, which is a smaller version of a 224, and I start applying it on the crease area, just a bit above the crease. I go in with the ABH Modern Renaissance palette and I take the shade Cypress Umber, and I take a more of a small detailed brush, and then I start applying it on the crease area. And I just deepen the crease bit from there. I take it on a Morphe small detail brush. I'm not sure about the number. I'll leave it in the description box below for you guys. Then I take my MAC Select Cover Up Concealer. I love it as to cut the crease with and as a base. So here I am just cutting the crease with the MAC 195 brush. I really love this brush just to pack on that concealer. After I cut the crease, I go in with the Primavera shade from the Modern Renaissance palette and I start applying it all over the eyelid where I applied the concealer. On top of that, I go in with this gel-like glitter and I just intensify the lid area with that. And I take it on a really precise brush so I can get into all the lines. I go in with my Inglot gel liner and I do a wing, but I just did it off camera because it was quicker that way. Then I go with my Huda Beauty Jade lashes, they're faux mink ones. And yeah, so this is basically the completed look. It was a very simple, easy glam for the eyes. If you guys did enjoy this eye tutorial, then please do give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe to my channel, as it will mean so much to me. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.